Morning, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Just arrived into stock this 2010 Ford KA Zetec petrol, covered just over 34,000 miles. Good service history, nice spec, ideal first car for someone. As you see, interior is nice and clean, air conditioning, electric windows, fairly sizable boot, got 2 keys. As usual, are supplied with our minimum 3 months RAC warranty, and that comes with 12 months free nationwide breakdown cover. Check out our website for more photos, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.